Have you ever wondered what truly makes the United States a land of freedom and opportunity? It is more than just a place on a map. It is built upon a strong foundation that empowers every person who calls it home. This foundation ensures that individuals have specific protections and liberties. At its core, the basic rights of United States citizens are the fundamental freedoms and protections guaranteed by the Constitution, especially through the Bill of Rights. These rights define what the government can and cannot do, ensuring individual liberty and participation in our democratic society. They are the bedrock of our nation. The why behind these rights is deeply rooted in our history, stemming from a desire to prevent the kind of government overreach that led to the American Revolution. The framers of the Constitution wanted to create a system where power was limited and individual freedoms were paramount. They achieved this by drafting the Constitution and then adding the first 10 amendments, known as the Bill of Rights, to explicitly list these crucial protections. These amendments act as a powerful shield for every citizen. For example, the First Amendment ensures freedom of speech, religion, the press, assembly, and the right to petition the government. This means you can express your thoughts, practice your faith, and gather peacefully without fear of government punishment. The Second Amendment protects the right of the people to keep and bear arms. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures, meaning authorities generally need a warrant based on probable cause. The Fifth Amendment guarantees due process, protects against self-incrimination, and prevents double jeopardy. This means you cannot be forced to testify against yourself, and you cannot be tried for the same crime twice. The Sixth Amendment ensures your right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury and the right to an attorney. Finally, the 14th Amendment extends many of these protections to all citizens, including equal protection under the law, and defines what it means to be a United States citizen. Understanding these rights empowers you in many daily situations. For instance, knowing your Fourth Amendment rights can guide your interactions with law enforcement. Exercising your First Amendment rights means you can participate in public discourse, speak up about issues you care about, and even attend peaceful protests. If you ever find yourself in a legal situation, being aware of your Fifth and Sixth Amendment protections ensures you know your fundamental rights during legal proceedings. These rights are not just abstract ideas. They are practical tools for navigating life as a free person. What makes these rights truly special is not just their existence, but their dynamic nature. They are constantly being interpreted and reinterpreted by the Supreme Court, adapting to modern challenges while upholding their original intent. This ongoing judicial review ensures that these foundational principles remain relevant. It is also important to remember that while these are fundamental rights, they are not absolute and can have reasonable limitations, such as laws against incitement to violence or defamation. Informed citizens are the cornerstone of a vibrant democracy. By understanding your basic rights as a United States citizen, you gain the knowledge to protect yourself, engage actively in your community, and uphold the principles of liberty and justice for all. This understanding is not just about passing a test. It is about living fully and responsibly within the framework of our free society, ensuring that the promise of America continues for future generations.